Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing how to make this delicious Nigerian black soup. Yes guys, black soup, and this is very delicious soup. So now let's head over to the ingredients. Okay guys, these are the ingredients. I'm using some grilled beef. I grill this beef and freeze it. Okay, so the vegetables are Ukazi leaf, scent leaf, Uziza leaf, and bitter leaf. I know the main ingredient for this is bitter leaf, scent leaf, and Uziza leaf, but I decided to add the Ukazi leaf because I have them in the freezer. So I have some Maggi there, and I also have some crayfish that I'm going to be using. You can add as much as you want. Okay, that is the salt, and that is the fish, smoked catfish, already washed with salt and hot water. And this is my dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper if you want. You didn't see the onion because the onion is already inside the soup. So the meat and the stockfish are cooking, and I season them with onion, salt, and some cube, and that is Banga soup that I'm going to be using. I'm not using oil to cook this. I'm using Banga to cook it. Okay, so with that being said, now I'm going to start blending the vegetables. I added the bitter leaf. Now I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables into my blender, and I'm going to blend them to cream with enough water that will enable them to blend. Okay guys, back to the soup. The meat is halfway cooked, so I'm going to take out two of those cow leg because I need to slice them into pieces like pomo. I needed to have that pomo sensation into the soup. So if you don't have pomo, you can actually use this method to get pomo into your soup. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding that banga soup or cream or whatever it's called into the soup. I'm using a little bit of it. You can add a whole can, but I don't want because I'm reducing the oil that my oil intake. So you can add as much as you want, but I don't want that for my own soup. Just use what you can. Okay, so after adding them, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is the dry fish, the crayfish, the grilled beef that I showed you guys earlier. I'm going to be adding some pepper, crayfish, salt, and the cube I'm using. Basically, I'm adding all the ingredients I'm using into this soup except the vegetables. Okay, so after adding them, I'm going to stir everything together and allow them to cook for like 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, because I need that banga cream to be well cooked before adding the vegetables. Okay guys, this is about 8 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding that more thing we talked about earlier. Okay, so I'm going to give them a quick stir and allow them to cook for that complete 10 minutes that I said earlier. So after the 10 minutes, here we are. Everything is well cooked. As you can see, the consistency is good. The banga soup or banga cream is well cooked to the consistency I want it. So I'm going to be adding the blended vegetable in at this time. Stir everything together, and I'm going to allow that to cook for another 10 minutes. Yes, because I want that bitter leaf to be well cooked. If I'm using something like spinach, I will have take them down after 5 minutes. But for bitter leaf, because this is frozen bitter leaf, I'm going to allow them to cook for 10 minutes. You can allow yours to cook for less, or you can allow yours to cook for more time. Depends on what you want, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid halfway and allow that to cook. Okay guys, this is after 10 minutes. Our soup is ready. Do not mind the consistency if it looks liquid, because that is the right consistency, because if you make it too thick, you won't like it when this soup gets cold. I hope you enjoy watching this video guys. This is very delicious soup. I love it, and I wanted to give it a try as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.